We stood inside a furnace, hotter than any fire on earth. Not because we were brave, but because we believed.
They told us to bow, to fear, to follow the crowd. But we know our God is greater than fear.
Whether you are young or old, rich or poor, you will face pressure. The world will offer you golden images, fame, lies, shortcuts, and compromise. But remember, what you bow to, you serve. And what you serve, you become.
Don't trade your crown for comfort. Don't lose your voice in the noise. Stand tall, stand true, even if you stand alone.
Because you're never truly alone. Even in the fire, God is with you. Right there, in the flames.
So let them see your faith. Let them hear your stand. And let your life preach louder than your lips.
We are Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And if we could do it, so can you. Never bow to fear. Never bow to pressure. Never compromise. Because even in the fire, God is always with you.